In this video, I'll show you how to edit drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now I have this document and I want to edit the drop-down list of this column. So only I have 4 months and I want to add 2 more months. So how I can do that? Firstly, I just need to select the column where I have added the drop-down list. Then go to data section at the top, and here we need to look for the option data validation. Click on data validation again, and here in the settings tab we need to set allow on list. Then here you can just edit the source if you want. I'll just click here, then just change my source like this. So because I'm going to add 2 more months right here, so I'll just select this source, then click on this little icon one more time. Now click on OK. And now what we can do, we can just add the next month or whatever you want to add, you can just add that now. I'll just type here May and June. And in case if you want to edit the previous months, you can just do that as well. Like I can just make the February a bit short. Now if I go here and click on the drop down list, you can see the February also changed and our 2 months also added. So that's how you can edit the drop down list in Microsoft Excel. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.